is Thao Lam. I'm the author and illustrator of My Cat Looks Like My Dad. I also created Wallpaper and Skunk on a String. My Cat Looks Like My Dad is about a cat and his father, about all the things they have in common and all the things that they don't have in common. My Cat Looks Like My Dad came from a conversation I had with my bestie, and she was telling me a story about her niece and all the similarities they have, and she ended the conversation by saying, "And my cat looks like my dad." And I thought that was hilarious and very insightful. I took it. With each book, I like adding a new challenge, and so from Wallpaper to My Cat Looks Like My Dad, I wanted the challenge of writing. I like working with my hands. I like making things, building things, and collage, I like it because it's like a craft. I feel like I'm having a craft day when I'm sitting down and doing the art. So with My Cat Looks Like My Dad, I felt like it was more personal, because with my own personal family, like I'm a divorced mother of a little girl, and for me, when I was writing this story, I wanted to give her something to kind of say, our family is no different than any other family. For parents, teachers, and librarians, I feel like it's on us to teach tolerance and understanding, and that it starts at home. I wanted a book that was talking about family, but in such a broad sense that people can look at it and say, oh, it's not like a book about two moms or two dads, but it's a book like anybody can be a family.